In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Expensify from submitting reports automatically. If you've ever opened Expensify and found that your expense reports have already been created and submitted for you, it's because of the automatic submission settings inside your workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where those settings live and how to turn them off, or switch them to manual so you stay in full control of when reports are submitted. First, open Expensify and sign in as you normally would. From the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Workspaces. This is where all the shared settings live for your team or company. Go ahead and click on Workspaces. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you may see more than one listed. Make sure you select the workspace where you want to change the report submission behavior. Once you're inside the correct workspace, you'll see several tabs or options along the top or side. Find and click on the one called Workflows. The Workflows area controls how expenses and reports move through your organization, including things like approvals, reimbursements, and in this case, how often reports are created and submitted. Within the Workflows page, take a moment to scroll and look for a section related to submission frequency or auto-reporting frequency. This is where Expensify decides how often it should bundle up your expenses into a report and send it in automatically. It might currently be set to something like weekly or monthly, depending on how it was originally configured. Now, click into that submission frequency setting. Here, you'll see options for how often reports are created and submitted on your behalf. To stop Expensify from submitting reports automatically, you have two choices. You can toggle the auto-reporting feature off completely, which disables automatic submissions. Or, if there's a drop-down or list of options, you can customize the setting and choose manually. Selecting manually or turning the toggle off means Expensify will no longer create and submit reports on its own. From now on, you'll review your expenses, create reports when you're ready, and submit them yourself. This is especially helpful if you prefer to double-check everything before it goes to your manager or accounting team. Once you've made your change, just confirm that the setting now reflects manual, or shows that auto-submission is turned off. Your new preference will be saved automatically, and you can exit the Workflows section. That's all you need to do to stop Expensify from submitting reports automatically and regain full control over your expense submissions.